So the first is number one. So list of the three patients with the highest total expenses, including bills, medications, and surgeries. So for select, we're going to select the patient ID, first name, last name, then sum. Billing ID as billing total, total billing, and sum for patient medication details as total medication. Then some for operation details as total surgery. Then we're going to combine it by listing some billing ID plus some patient medication details. Then operation costs as total expenses from patients. So we're going to join billing on patient ID equals billing ID. Then join patient medication details on patient ID equals patient medication details. So join operation details on patient ID equals operation cost by group by patient ID, uh, first name and last name, then group by total expenses. This limit 3. Then we're going to run then nara. So ini siya, wala ko rin naman din siya na ay ang values pero garan siya. No? So, hindi ko kabilaan sa kanila pag tayo okay na siya.